American workers. Some people say they're not as good as they used to be. Well, to that, we politely answer, bunk. Behind every Zenith color TV are thousands of American workers like these. And when TV service technicians were asked their opinion, they picked Zenith more than any other brand as the color TV that needs fewest repairs. American workers, Zenith workers, they make sure the quality goes in before the name goes on.
In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the former Zenith No. 1 plant on the far west side of Chicago. Opened in the 1930s as the world's largest radio factory, it later expanded in the 50s to include television manufacturing. What was once home to 2,500 workers making TVs and radios is now a massive 4-block abandoned warehouse literally falling to pieces. There have been numerous fires along with structural collapses since Zenith left over 30 years ago, and what remains is in rough condition.